What if the biggest threat to the EV industry isn't another car company? What if it's the battery itself? For years, lithium has quietly powered almost everything. Teslas, smartphones, power tools, entire energy grids. It became the foundation of the modern electric world. But now, Tesla is being linked to a new kind of battery technology that sounds almost unbelievable. Faster charging, lower costs, longer lifespan, and potentially far safer than today's lithium packs. Some people are calling it the next EV revolution. Others think it could completely destroy the battery industry we know today. And honestly, if even part of this turns out to be real, the entire future of electric cars could change overnight.
Now, here's the part nobody in the EV industry really wants to admit. Electric cars may be getting better, but the battery problem never fully disappeared. Yes, today's EVs are quicker than most gas cars. The technology feels futuristic, and adoption is growing faster than ever across the United States. But underneath all the hype, lithium-ion batteries still come with some very real problems. Charging still takes too long for millions of drivers. Replacing a battery pack can cost thousands of dollars. Cold weather can crush range overnight. And EV battery fires continue creating fear headlines across America. Then there's the issue that could become even bigger in the next decade: resources. Because lithium isn't unlimited. Mining costs are rising, global demand is exploding, countries are fighting for supply control, and now nearly every automaker on Earth is chasing the exact same battery materials at the exact same time. Tesla, Ford, GM, Toyota, Hyundai, Volkswagen. Everybody is competing for the future, using the same core technology. And that's exactly why the industry is becoming obsessed with finding the next breakthrough. Because the company that truly solves the battery problem doesn't just build better EVs, it controls the next era of the automotive industry. And this is where the story starts getting seriously interesting. Because over the past year, the internet has been flooded with rumors that Tesla may be exploring something radically different from traditional lithium-ion batteries: aluminum-ion technology. And according to some of the claims online, this battery could completely change the EV industry. Lower production costs, ultra-fast charging, much longer lifespan, better safety, less dependence on rare materials. Some videos even claim future Teslas could fully recharge in minutes, last for decades, and make today's EV batteries look primitive almost overnight. Now, obviously, that sounds insane. And honestly, a lot of the internet hype probably is exaggerated.
Because here's the reality. Tesla has never officially confirmed a production-ready aluminum-ion battery for its vehicles. Multiple fact-check investigations found no public evidence that Elon Musk or Tesla announced anything close to the revolutionary claims spreading online. But here's the part that makes this conversation fascinating anyway. The technology itself is not science fiction. Researchers around the world really are experimenting with alternatives to lithium-ion batteries right now. And the reason is simple. The industry already knows lithium may not be the final answer. Because the truth is, lithium may not rule the industry forever. Right now, some of the biggest companies on Earth are racing to figure out what comes next. Solid-state batteries, sodium-ion technology, aluminum-ion research, graphene-enhanced cells. Everybody is searching for the next major breakthrough, and the pressure to find it is becoming enormous. Because EV adoption is accelerating so quickly that the industry is starting to worry about something much bigger than just charging speeds: resource dependence. The modern EV boom relies heavily on a relatively small group of materials, and if demand keeps exploding globally, eventually supply chains get squeezed, costs rise, competition intensifies, and suddenly the entire industry becomes vulnerable. That's exactly why alternative battery technologies are attracting so much attention right now. In fact, some alternatives are already entering the real world. Chinese battery giant CAT-EL recently pushed deeper into sodium-ion battery commercialization, while automakers in China are actively preparing vehicles powered by sodium-based battery systems. And honestly, that matters more than most people realize, because sodium is cheaper, far more abundant, and potentially easier to scale globally than lithium. Suddenly, the conversation around EVs is changing. A few years ago, the question was, can electric cars replace TOS vehicles?
Now, the real question might be, what eventually replaces lithium itself? And honestly, this is exactly why every battery rumor somehow leads back to Tesla. Because Tesla stopped being just a car company a long time ago. This is the company that forced the entire auto industry into the EV era, the company that made electric cars desirable, and the company that turned batteries into the single most important technology in modern transportation. Before Tesla, most people barely thought about battery chemistry. Now, battery technology decides range, charging speed, vehicle cost, profit margins, and ultimately, which automakers survive the next decade. That's why anytime the internet hears Tesla is developing something revolutionary, people immediately pay attention. Especially after Tesla's massive Battery Day event, where Elon Musk promised dramatic battery cost reductions, new manufacturing processes, and the next evolution of EV production. Since then, the internet has basically been waiting for Tesla's next giant breakthrough. And that anticipation created the perfect environment for aluminum-ion rumors to explode across YouTube, social media, and tech news, because people want to believe Tesla is about to change everything again. And honestly, considering Tesla's history, it's not hard to understand why. But now comes the reality check most viral videos conveniently ignore. Battery technology is incredibly difficult. It's one thing to create impressive results inside a laboratory. It's something completely different to mass-produce millions of reliable battery packs that survive heat, cold, accidents, fast charging, daily commuting, and years of real-world abuse. That's where many next-generation battery concepts run into problems, because even researchers exploring aluminum-ion technology admit there are still major obstacles: energy density, scaling production, cost efficiency, and compatibility with modern EV systems. And despite all the futuristic headlines online, Tesla is still investing heavily in advanced lithium-based technologies like LFP batteries and its 4680 battery cells. That's important, because it tells us something very clearly. Tesla itself still sees massive potential in improving lithium batteries rather than abandoning them tomorrow. So no, lithium probably isn't about to disappear overnight. But at the same time, the industry is clearly preparing for a future where lithium may no longer be the only answer.
And honestly, that shift may already be starting. Because honestly, the real revolution may not be one magical battery that suddenly changes the world overnight. It may be the fact that the industry is finally moving beyond lithium alone, and that changes everything. For years, the entire EV industry basically depended on one dominant battery chemistry, one supply chain, one system, one core technology powering almost every electric car on the road. But now, the industry is splitting into multiple directions at the same time: cheaper batteries, safer batteries, ultra-fast charging batteries, cold weather optimized batteries, long life batteries designed to survive decades instead of years. Automakers are no longer searching for just one solution. They're searching for the best solution for different kinds of drivers. And consumers are starting to realize something important too. The future of EVs isn't just about range anymore. That was the old conversation. Now the real battle is ownership experience. People want EVs that feel easier to live with every single day, cheaper to buy, cheaper to maintain, faster to charge, more reliable long-term, less stressful during road trips, less dependent on expensive battery replacements years later. That's the next stage of the EV war. And honestly, the company that truly solves those problems first could dominate the next decade of the automotive industry. Because at that point, electric cars stop feeling like future technology and start feeling like the obvious choice for everybody. Now imagine for a second if Tesla actually pulls this off. Not just a slightly better battery, not a minor upgrade, but a battery that's genuinely cheaper, safer, faster to charge, and dramatically longer lasting than today's lithium packs. The impact would be enormous. Suddenly, EV prices could fall much faster than expected. Charging anxiety could shrink overnight. Battery replacement fears could disappear. And owning an electric car might finally become easier than owning a gas car for millions of people. At that point, the entire industry changes. Because once EVs become cheap enough, convenient enough, and reliable enough, gas cars start becoming much harder to justify.
And for traditional automakers already struggling to make profits on electric vehicles, that kind of breakthrough could become a nightmare.
because companies still dependent on older battery technology could suddenly find themselves years behind Tesla almost overnight. And honestly, this is exactly why battery technology matters so much now. More than horsepower, more than exterior styling, maybe even more than the vehicles themselves. Because batteries have become the foundation of the modern automotive industry. They determine vehicle cost, profitability, range, charging speed, ownership experience, and ultimately, survival. And nobody understands that better than Tesla. So no, Tesla probably hasn't secretly built some magical battery that instantly destroys lithium overnight. At least not yet. But honestly, that's not even the most important part of this story. The reason these rumors exploded across the internet is because people already know something feels incomplete about the current EV era. Charging still takes too long for many drivers. Battery replacements still sound expensive and intimidating. And despite all the progress, owning an EV can still feel more complicated than people expected. That's why the world has become obsessed with the next battery breakthrough. Because deep down, everybody understands the same thing. Whoever truly solves the battery problem doesn't just build a better electric car. They reshape the future of transportation itself. And whether that future comes from aluminum-ion, solid-state, sodium-ion, or some completely different technology nobody sees coming yet, one thing is becoming impossible to ignore. The real EV war was never just about cars. It was always about the battery. And honestly, that battle may only be getting started.
Thanks for watching Car Today Reviews. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you think lithium-ion batteries will still dominate the future? Or are we getting closer to a completely different era of EV technology? And if Tesla actually released a battery that charged in minutes, lasted for decades, and made EVs dramatically cheaper, would that finally convince mainstream America to fully embrace electric cars? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you enjoy deep dives into the future of EVs, breakthrough technologies, and the biggest changes happening across the automotive world, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. There's a lot more coming very soon. See you in the next video.